For a long time, we watched interest rates climb, providing a rare moment of leverage for the disciplined saver. But as we look at the data today, the environment is shifting. Rates are still strong, for now, but the vault is slowly closing. The federal funds target has settled between 3.50 and 3.75%. We are seeing active cuts. Funding costs are beginning to slide. If you look at the major online banks, you can see the change happening in real time. They are lowering their yields, and they are doing it quickly. Meanwhile, the national average remains at a staggering 0.4%. It is a number that feels almost out of place in today's world. It represents stagnation. Yet, if you know where to look, there is still a window. Top-tier rates are still holding at 5% and above. High-yield accounts are still delivering 4% and higher. That is 10 to 12 times more earnings on the same dollar, with the same level of safety. These accounts are FDIC-insured. There is zero risk to your principal. The best options available right now require no monthly fees and offer elite mobile experiences that give you 24/7 control over your capital. This is what we call automated wealth acceleration. It is the practice of letting the system work for you while you focus on the rest of your life. Let's look at the Elite 7 rankings for February 2026. We will start at number 7 and work our way to the top. At number 7, we have Bread Savings. They are currently offering 4.00% APY with a modest minimum of $100. Coming in at number 6 is Lending Club, also at 4.00%, though they do require a $250 monthly deposit to maintain that momentum. Number 5 is Climate First Bank at 4.21% with a $50 minimum. It is a steady, reliable option. At number 4, we find Open Bank, offering 4.20% with a $500 minimum. Moving into the top 3, we have Axos One at 4.31%. This one does require some account activity to unlock the full rate, but the return justifies the effort. And at number 2, we have Newtek Bank. They are currently at 4.35% with no minimums and no fees. It is a clean, straightforward way to outpace the market. These are the best options available today. They represent the high ground in a declining rate environment. But there is one that stands above the rest. The undisputed current king, ranked at number 1, is Varo Bank. They are holding firm at 5.00% APY. This rate applies to balances up to $5,000, provided you have an active direct deposit. It is a mobile-first experience, fully FDIC-insured, and it represents the highest yield available in the current market. It crushes the national average by more than 12 times. Consider the difference for a moment. On one side, you have the national average of 0.4%. In the middle, the elite tier at 4.2%. At the top, the king at 5%. That isn't just a small gap in interest. That is 12 times higher earnings. When you compound that monthly, the gap between staying where you are and moving to where the growth is becomes an explosion of value. This is the power of moving your money to where it is actually respected. Inside this high-yield vault, you gain 3 things: security, efficiency, and control. You get the 100% government-backed protection of the FDIC. You get the efficiency of 0 monthly fees. And you get a command center in your pocket through elite mobile apps that allow for instant transfers. Switching is a simple process. It takes less than 10 minutes. You select your winner, apply online with your ID, link your current bank, and ignite the transfer. Every day you wait is a day of lost compounding. On the left is stagnation and lost opportunity. On the right is growth. If you secure it today, you are looking at 5% growth while others settle for almost nothing. Don't let the timeline of 2026 leave you behind. Compare Varo and Newtek today. Tell us your current rate in the comments. Subscribe for the updates that actually impact your balance sheet. Secure your future. February is moving fast, and the vault won't stay open forever.